Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of our subscriber family. Also, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on our video as it will help our channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the Alpha Travel 1 channel. I bet you're wondering what this is about. Well, I'm doing this because I am going to take you to one of my most favorite cities in the United States. And I am going to take you to the Wild Wild West. And before we do that, what I'd like you to do is to grab a drink, get a pack of Doritos chips, and those of you who don't know where Doritos originated from, I'm going to leave a link up here so you could take a look at the video. And once you get that, kick back, sit back, and let's have some fun. Beautiful blue skies. Mountains are so pristine. Where we are is called Old Tucson. This is where they kind of do a lot of filming. You know, it shows the old ways of the Western world. And check this out. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that. Look at the mountaintop. Beautiful. Alright guys, we are at Old Tucson, right beneath the mountains here. Gonna go in to show you how the old Arizona places look like, which is really cool. I think I have to go in and buy tickets, but I'm okay with that. It's an outpost, and in there I guess that's where all that happens. So let's see what I do. So after you buy the tickets here, you're entering the town here. Got like stucco type of buildings, right? Wow. Armored horse wagon. Guess this is kind of like their armored car vehicle. The old times. Railroad station. It's amazing details. Look at that. Wagon looked really old. Look, the building. Schoolhouse? Wow. It says a reproduction of the first adobe schoolhouse built in Tucson, Arizona in 1868. Wow. Amazing. Taxidermy. Blacksmith. OK Corral. Freight Depot. Mercantile office, I guess. More stuff down there. There goes the mountains again. Oh, look at that. Someone dressed in Western clothes. Wow, this is nice.
No, neither one of those were filmed. It looked, well, a lot of people think the Alamo was filmed here. All of a sudden, I've been here for over 6 years now. First 4.5 years. Never a question about the Alamo. All of a sudden, boom, there's the Alamo
Sheriff's Office. How are ya? Now this is really aging and it looks real. It's amazing. Big Jake's Restaurant. So, yeah, so they do have people that dress up here. Guess it's a church. Good stuff. Wow, it's amazing. So my guess is this is where they put the shows. It's roped off. Bathhouse. Wait, what? It says bathhouse. 25 cents with soap. Huh. Look at that. Chew mail tobacco pouch. Arizona Territory photography. Cantina. Now, looking over here, because I want to see a nice view of that mountain in the background. How cool is that? Zoom in for you. Beautiful. Holy moly. People actually do dress up here. Very cool.
This is my dining outfit.
Fantastic.
We're
about to beat the hell out of each other right over
Over there.
Yeah.
I am going to go over there.
Stand with all them people there.
Oh wait, gotta go around. I'll go around this way.
Yeah, like raisins.
I will see you a little bit.
I don't like
Raisins!
This is beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So how much fun was that? So we're gonna close out with 3 videos that sticks to the Western theme. So 2 of the videos here, we're gonna be showing you one, the Big Thunder Mountain in Disneyland, and the second one would be the Big Thunder Mountain in Walt Disney World Orlando. And right over here, we're gonna take you on a really cool ride on the Disneyland Railroad. With that said, thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video.